ওয়েলকাম টু মাই ইউটিউব চ্যানেল। আশা করি তোমরা সবাই ভালো আছো। আজকে আমি তোমাদের ক্লাস 11-এর সেকেন্ড সেমিস্টারের নোবেল লেকচার থেকে কিছু ইম্পর্টেন্ট 2 and 6 মার্কসের কোশ্চেন অ্যান্সার আলোচনা করে দিচ্ছি। চ্যানেলে যারা নতুন, চ্যানেলটা সাবস্ক্রাইব করে রাখো, আর ভিডিওটা ভালো লাগলে লাইক এবং বন্ধুদের শেয়ার করে দিও। তাহলে বন্ধুরা আরম্ভ করে দিচ্ছি। আমার ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেন, আই নেভার ফরগেট অ্যান অপরচুনিটি. Which opportunity does Mother Teresa speak of? Mother Teresa speaks of the opportunity she had of visiting an old age home. Who was the first messenger of peace? Who was the Prince of Peace? The unborn child who lived with joy in the womb of Elizabeth to learn the good news of Jesus coming to earth was the first messenger of peace. What was Mother Teresa's observation about poor people? According to Mother Teresa, poor people who are beautiful, great and wonderful are able to teach us many beautiful things. Why was Mother Teresa surprised in the West? Mother Teresa was surprised to see many young boys and girls given to drugs in the West. What did the people following family planning measures tell Mother Teresa? Why did the poor people consider Mother Teresa and her sister and the best people to teach them family planning? They told Mother Teresa that their families were healthy and united and they could have baby whenever they wanted. The poor regarded Mother Teresa and her sister the best people to teach them the way of natural family planning because they had vowed it and keep it. What was Mother plans for prize money? Or what did Mother Teresa intend to do with the Nobel Peace Prize? Mother Teresa planned to make a home for many homeless people with the prize money. How can we, as suggested by Mother Teresa, overcome all the evil that is in the world? As suggested by Mother Teresa, we can overcome all the evil that is in the world by the just coming together, loving each other and bring peace, joy and strength of our mutual presence of our homes. What did the mother in the Hindu family do with the rice? The mother in the Hindu family divided the rice and took a portion of it for the starving children of a Muslim family who were our neighbors. Next, to be able to do this, what does this refers to? Here, this refers to making a home for the homeless and to bring peace by spreading love throughout the world. How much money did Mother Teresa receive from the man who was lying on his back for the last 20 years? Mother Teresa received $15 from the disabled man who was lying on his back for the last 20 years. Why does Mother Teresa want to thank God after her arrival in Norway? Mother Teresa proposes to thank God for the Nobel Peace Prize and the opportunity she has received to meet her audience in Norway, which has helped them to know and come close to each other. Who came to visit Mother Teresa and from where? 14 professors from different universities of the United States came to visit Mother Teresa. What was the age of the boy who wanted to give his sugar Mother Teresa? Why did he want to do so? The boy who wanted to give his sugar to Mother Teresa was only 4 years old. He wanted to do so because he intended to give it to the children in Mother Teresa's home, who informed Mother Teresa of a hungry family of 8 children. Why did Mother Teresa meet the family? A gentleman informed Mother Teresa of a hungry family of 8 children. Mother Teresa went to meet the Hindu family of 8 children to give some rice to the children who had been starving for a long time. Why was the poverty of the West more difficult to remove? The poverty of the West was more difficult to remove because people there remained unloved, unwanted, terrified, and thrown out of the society, and this was worse than lack of food or clothes. Let us give now that Christmas is coming so close. What was the Mother Teresa want us to give during the festival of Christmas? Mother Teresa want that during Christmas we should love God and share God's love with each other. Why did not Mother Teresa take more rice that evening? Mother Teresa did not take more rice that evening because she wanted the children to enjoy the joy of sharing. How did Mother examine her consciousness in the context of the dying woman accepting death with smiling face? Mother Teresa made a frank confession that had she been in the place of the dying woman, she would have tried to draw a little attention to herself by complaining about her physical discomforts. How do the poor people follow family planning measures? What is the result of family planning in Calcutta in 6 years? The poor people follow family planning measure by practicing natural way of abstaining and of self-control out of love of each other. In Calcutta, in 6 years, the families adopting family planning measures had 61,273 less babies. Why does Mother Teresa consider abortion as the greatest destroyer of peace? Mother Teresa considered abortion as the greatest destroyer of peace because it is a direct killing of an unborn child by the mother herself. What did Mother Teresa want to suggest when the comment that poor people are very great people? Mother Teresa believed that to be poor is to be blessed. Poor people can teach us a lot. They love each other and share what they have. They suffer but do not complain. She appreciates the scenes of love, affection, and gratitude among the poor. এবার আসছি তোমাদের কিছু 6 মার্কসের কোশ্চেন তোমাদের কিছু আলোচনা করে দিচ্ছি। The poverty comes right there in our own homes. What is suggested by that poverty? What happens when such poverty comes? That poverty does not suggest a want of material comfort by a lack of love. It suggested the agony of feeling lonely, worried, sick, and isolated. It is poverty of the spirit rather than that of the body. It is observed that sons and daughters put their parents in an institution like an old age home and forget them. The aged parents eagerly wait in vain for a visit from their children. They are hurt because they are forgotten. They stop smiling. This neglected to laugh brings poverty into our own homes. What does Mother Teresa say about the greatest destroyer of peace? What success has the organization of Mother Teresa achieved to stop the masses? Menace. To stop this menace. Mother Teresa considered abortion as the greatest destroyer of peace. As a true Christian, she believes that man has been created by God in his own image. Death of children due to hunger, malnutrition, and diseases is unfortunate, but through abortion, millions are killed deliberately by the mother's will. It is direct killing or murder. So the act of abortion is killed the greatest destroyer of peace. Mother urges people throughout the world not to indulge in the heinous crime of aborting babies. She requests people to take the unwanted babies to her. There are childish couples willing to adopt such children. In fact, she had her associated her fighting abortion by adopting. Moreover, they are giving poor people, beggars, street and dwellers and lepers. Lesson or natural family planning. Mother Teresa and her associates have been greatly successful in this project, bringing down the total number of abortions. Next, what according to Mother is needed to overcome the evils of the world? Hatred, misery, loneliness, homelessness, and hunger are some of the evils of the world. Mother Teresa strongly advocates the necessity of love to overcome these evils. Love at home will erase hatred, misery, and loneliness. Peace brings joy and the strength of presence of each other in the home as a contemplative in the heart of the world. Mother Teresa feels that prayer brings peace and keeps the family together in love. We have to put love into action, and by serving the needy in person, we actually serve God. Such mutual feelings of love and compassion kill hatred, reduce misery, and help to overcome the evils of the world. What is the difference in need between the poor people of the East and West? People in the East suffer from want of food, malnutrition, lack of medical care, lack of homes, and even die of street uncared by due to economic poverty. But there is another kind of poverty that is more terrible because it leaves a person unwanted, unloved, terrified, and outcast. The kind of poverty exists in both Eastern and Western countries, but it is more distinct in the West. In spite of their affluence, people in the West face such poverty of the spirit and get alienated from the mainstream. The poor in both the East and West need love, a feeling of bonding, the peace of staying together. আচ্ছা বন্ধুরা, আশা করি তোমরা আজকে নোবেল লেকচারে কোশ্চেন অ্যান্সার বুঝতে পেরেছো। চ্যানেলের সঙ্গে যুক্ত থাকো। নেক্সট ভিডিওতে আমি তোমাদের আরও কিছু কোশ্চেন অ্যান্সার আলোচনা করে দেবো। ভিডিওটা ভালো লাগলে বন্ধুদের শেয়ার করে দিও। আর তোমরা জানো যে ক্লাস 11 এবং ক্লাস 12-এ তোমাদের সেমিস্টারে পরীক্ষা হয়, আর তার তোমাদের কিছু সিলেবাসে চেঞ্জ এসছে, কিছু অ্যাড করা হয়েছে, যেটা আমি তোমাদের একটা ভিডিও বানিয়েছি, যেটা আই বটমে দিয়ে দেবো। এছাড়াও তোমাদের ক্লাস 11-এর সেকেন্ড সেমিস্টারে দ্য ফ্লাই, যেটা তোমাদের অ্যাড করা হয়েছে সিলেবাসে, সেটা আমি পড়ানো স্টার্ট করে দিয়েছি। সেই ভিডিওটাও তোমাদের আমি আই বটমে দিয়ে দেবো, তোমরা একটু দেখে নিও। আর ভালো লাগলে বন্ধুদের শেয়ার করে দিও। আচ্ছা বন্ধুরা, ভালো থেকো।